Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix ghost touch on iPhone. So guys, let's get started this video without wasting any time. So guys, solution 1 is don't use your iPhone while charging. So guys, if you are charging your iPhone, so don't use your iPhone. So solution 2 is clean the screen to get rid of dirt. So clean your screen. And solution 3 is wipe off any water on the iPhone's or screen body. Wipe off any drops of the water from iPhone screen and body and ensure it's dirty. Dry your hands to before attempting to use the iPhone once again. Solution 4 is remove the screen protector from your iPhone. So guys, if you have any screen protector installed on your iPhone, so remove the screen protector. And solution 5 is disconnect any external accessory connected to the iPhone. So if you have any connected accessory to your iPhone, so disconnect it. So solution 6 is remove any case you're using. So guys, if you have any case on your iPhone, so remove the case from your iPhone. Solution 7 is force restart your iPhone. So after you have for how to force restart, tap on the power button, volume up and volume down at the same time for 15 seconds after force restarting your iPhone. Solution 8 is update your iPhone to the latest version of iOS. So tap on general settings, tap on general, tap on software update, check for update. So guys, if you have available any update here, so update your iPhone to the latest version. So I have already installed latest version on my iPhone, so go back. So last solution is guys, tap on settings, tap on transfer or reset and reset all your settings. It will not delete your data, it will only reset all settings. So guys, here are the all methods for fixing this issue. So guys, thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you guys. See you in the next video.